I received these patio tiles from the company and I'm actually extremely excited to try them out because I've been needing a solution for an uneven patch of ground around our pool. Now we ended up with receiving 5 boxes total. Each one comes with 27 tiles, which gives us just enough to cover an 11 by 14 space. Now, once these are laid out, they're going to look absolutely fantastic, but I have to prep our space first. I leveled it out with dirt and then I laid down ground cover. Now the ground cover is going to actually help prevent weeds from coming through. This will also prevent my dog from digging holes in this spot. The tiles themselves are super lightweight and they're very easy to work with. They snap together with this really simple interlocking design, so you don't need any tools or anything fancy to actually get yourself started. And if you already have a flat prepped space, these are going to actually be super easy for you to install. Now, the one thing that I have noticed is that if your ground is not super leveled or firm, these tiles do tend to shift a little bit and feel very uneven when you walk on them. So that's just something to keep in mind if you're planning to use them on soft dirt or any bumpy areas. You'll want to level those areas out first to get the best results. If you are putting these on a flat surface, you will not have any problems with them whatsoever. I do like that there are several different designs that you can actually lay them out as, depending on how you rotate the tiles. And if you need them to fit into tight corners or weird edges, you can actually just cut them to size, which is always helpful when you're customizing around any type of landscaping or pool curves. They have a wood texture that gives them the look of deck planks without actually all the maintenance. They are waterproof, weather resistant, and designed to hold up in all kinds of conditions. And they also come in several different colors and quantity options, so you can pick exactly what you need for your project. So whether using them for a patio, by the pool, or even outdoors or in a laundry room or basement, these are a great option.